story number 2, our AI watch slash wrap up. We're a year after Chat GPT. How you feeling about it?
Meh.
Meh.
I mean, we use it, but I see it as a glorified kind of email checker, maybe some research a little bit. Maybe I'm not using it right, but I'm not seeing it a game changer yet into what I do on a daily basis. But I see the possibility. Maybe I'm just not thinking outside the box enough. I don't know. What about you?
For the things I've actually put in work to do, like it's a super calculator in a lot of ways where I use it to come up with complex Excel formulas and I use it to do regular expressions and stuff like that would normally take me too long. And yeah, I've used it to outline things and help me write like, "Hey, what about this? What about that? Or how about I format this?" Yeah, as far as being, groundbreaking though, I know it is groundbreaking for some, but I haven't really integrated it into my process. I just keep playing with a lot of bits of it. Eh, we got Bard, Bing, Meta's AI, and now Grok is coming along. So we got 4 AI beasts coming in and really fighting. Grok, by the way, is the one from X/Twitter, and yeah, I think it's an interesting little race they're having there.
Yeah, I don't have too many notes on that. It's just, I think you said bits and pieces, but I think we're hinting at something here. It's like AI is supposed to be so revolutionary. But I still think there's a missing piece. Maybe Apple needs to get involved. You got to make it something that's easy to use and that people don't even have to think about. And it's good.
Does it have to be, like, revolutionary in that sense? Was Amazon didn't feel revolutionary, it just slowly got better and was out front of everybody, so I think it can still be big, it just hasn't it's not that flying car moment that everybody always expects with technology.
Yeah, yeah. And to your point, they just gonna enhance it. ChatGPT was what's it called? It's a signal flare. Hey, we're here. And that's why I got everybody excited last year around this time. I was playing with it with my kids. But the usefulness is still there's a gap between the novelty and the usefulness.
I'm gonna cape for, AI right now. Video video AI, cheap articles written, cheap stories, story images, videos, characters without 6 fingers, 5 fingers, um, financial summaries. There's just so many little things that it's doing and so many little things that it's disrupting. I think it's bigger than we think it is, and that's my wrap up thought for AI.
I agree. I think there is. I'm seeing it more and more to your point. We use it. I forgot. We do use it to do some editing for us. And I've been using some of the images and stuff. And we see that with people as well. So I would agree. But it's just personally, I hadn't taken the time to go in there deep.
Yeah, and, what happened with your boy Sam Altman?
Who knows, man?
Yeah.
yeah, it's a whole thing. We went into it detailed before. I would just say this that Sam wants power, it sounds, and he's going to try to figure out what that means. But he's constrained by the rules that he himself placed on the company by making a nonprofit. So I think his willingness to want the company to do good is being hampered by his willingness to have power. And so we talked about this, the need to do good for humanity to make sure AI is controlled
Yeah.
versus I want to make as much money as possible. I think those two sides of Sam Altman are fighting, and we're seeing
Mhm.
that display in real time.
Sounds like show versus business.
Ooh, he did it. I didn't pay you the big money. If you like this podcast, please subscribe and comment at Services Business on X, formerly known as Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Listen to us at Spotify, iTunes, wherever you listen to podcasts. Go check us out also on our website at Show versus Business and leave us a comment and let us know what you think of what you heard all year.